What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to reset the audio or sound of your Hisense Smart TV. So if you're having any sound issue with your Hisense Smart TV, take for instance if the sound of the TV is ridiculously poor or the sound of the TV does not just come out as it is supposed to, then resetting the audio or sound of the TV might actually help you fix this issue. Now I'll be showing you how to do this on the Hisense Vidaa Smart TV, but you can apply the same step-by-step process on any other Hisense Smart TV and it will work absolutely well for you. Now to do this, what you just want to do is to go to the settings of the TV. In my case, I'm just going to go to the settings icon at the top bar of the TV. So I'm just going to scroll and then go to the settings icon like so. Click on it. And what you want to do is to go to the sound settings. Click on it and then go to sound mode settings. Click on it, and what you want to do in this page is to simply scroll down to the end and then you're going to see the reset current mode option. Now before you actually click on this, it is advised that you actually go to the top and then change this apply audio settings from current source to all sources. Now what this means is that any changes or anything that you do on the audio settings will reflect in all the input options that are available in this particular TV. Now once you've selected that, you want to go down to the bottom of the page again, click on reset, and what you just want to do is to click on OK. And now my TV audio settings has been reset back to default. If you were having any issue with the sound or audio of this TV before, you want to go ahead and try using the TV again to see if the issue still persists. And if this video was helpful, you want to make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.